You want to escape? Do you?
Oh, he's trying to hook you.
Yeah, you're beautiful though. Kitsy.
I know you see me. Yeah, I know you want to just chomp.
No, just want to talk.
No.
Hello. Good day. Can you speak? Can you speak for us?
This is kind of, I'd love to have this kind of doing this fence that way.
I think the thing wants to escape, trying to
Yeah, I know.
trying to nibble the wire.
He's like, I've been nibbling this wire forever and I can't get it off.
It's so beautiful. Oh, look at that. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
colorful, no?
Mm-hmm. Double yellow-headed Amazons. See the tree that Bill